How to remove a wing mirror from a Mercedes CLK. First of all, you will need a trim fork and gently prise the tweeter box away from the corner of the door. It's a little bit fiddly, but it's only held on by one clip just behind the box itself, and it will gently come away from the door. There she goes. Next, remove the little round speaker that sits on 3 clips. Just be careful not to shut the door against the little speaker. Make sure it's up out the way. Next, unclip the power cable that goes to the wing mirror itself. It's a little bit fiddly. There is a grey retainer, as you can see, and you push the clip down where my finger is now, and that releases it, and then pull the grey retainer clip towards you. It's a little bit fiddly, but it will come off, as you can see from the video. Here she goes. It's a little bit fiddly, like I say. Just clip that over. There she goes, and then that releases the power cable from the car to the wing mirror. There are now only 3 Torx bits holding the wing mirror in place on the door. I would suggest that you take 2 out first, as I am doing here. The 2 bottom ones, I would suggest remove both of those. I would suggest that you loosen the top one off of the 3 and leave it loose inside the door. So at this point you've just got 1 screw loosely holding the wing mirror in place. Support it with one hand, the one end, and undo the top screw. And once you've undone that screw, as I'm showing you here, the wing mirror can be removed. I hope that helps you, and thanks for watching Iconic Brands, the home of fun investments.